queer neighbor a lift to Baltimore.
Okay.
Hey, what I did for you, it's working out.
What you did changed my life.
No, thank you, no.
Well, part of what I said in this entire history of my life, which you won't read, is that somehow you have done more for my mother, my son, and me than anybody else ever has. I'm just going to read you this part of it. And that makes you the most important, surviving person I ever met in my life. And you're going to be in our prayers, our daily prayers forever.
Lovely.
I also wrote one I'm just going to say, I wrote I'm sorry. I was talking about I was sorry when I got mad at you for when you came over and you told my son that he ought to answer back. So I wrote that I was sorry about that, and then I wrote I was sorry for busting you on that, and I'm sorry for busting in on you that night when I said I was never... I was sorry, and I'm sorry for every time your food was cold and that you had to wait 2 seconds for a coffee filler, and I'm sorry for never spotting right there at the table in the restaurant the human being that had it in him to do this thing for us. You know what, I'm just going to start from the beginning. I have not been able to express how grateful it is to you. Even as I look at the word grateful now, it doesn't begin to tell you what I feel.
I see it.
Bella. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Where is it? Go get your ball.
Now I want you to do something for me.
Where's your ball?